I am not defined by the color of my skin, to my gender, to the religion I follow. I do not fit in a box. Where you stereotype me, I am not your stereotype. Maybe just get to know me for me. I don't meet your status quo. I don't meet your definition to your expectation of who I should be. I am me. I am the message to my life. I am the one who will achieve my dreams above the glass ceiling. I am the one that will make a positive impact to this world. I am a change maker because I believe that we all have a purpose in this world to make a positive impact on the world that we live in. I'm a social entrepreneur who uses my art as my form of expression to educate and create awareness on different human rights issues, because I believe that we should stand up and speak up for what is right for all. We should live in a world that is equal for all, with peace and love, because I believe that one person can make a change. Welcome to my London, full of my community of change makers who do not fit in a box.
I am a change maker because I decided to act on my passion for drawing, which in turn has changed my life for good. From acting on my passion for drawing, I found myself in a position where I can help, teach and inspire others to draw, and in doing so, changing their lives in the process too. I believe everyone has a gift. With patience, faith and consistency, anything is possible.
I'm a change maker because I actively go out into the Muslim community to raise awareness about mental health difficulties through outreach workshops and trainings. I deliver them to imams, community leaders, parents, teachers, and students locally and around the country. And I believe that through these workshops and these trainings, we will help to address the mental health needs of the Muslim community.
I'm a change maker because instead of going to university, I set up a restaurant which feeds children in India. I believe in positivity, optimism, and surrounding yourself with the best people possible. Be a change maker in your community.
I'm a change maker because I strive to use my career and position as a criminal barrister and network founder to be and to effect the change that I want to see in the world, providing encouragement, opportunities and advocating for change, encouraging and promoting a fairer and more reflective criminal justice system. I believe that equality and justice shouldn't just be buzzwords, they should be a part of our daily mission to achieve. I will continue to do my part in helping to drive this forward. I'm a change maker. Are you?
I'm a change maker because I believe my voice matters. Your voice matters. Your creative voice matters. Everything right now matters. No matter what journey you've been on, please sing, please act, please dance, please create, please change. Let's make a change.
I'm a change maker because I'm the founder of the Mintridge Foundation, a charity dedicated to harnessing the power of positive sporting role models to help the mental and physical well-being of young people across the UK. I believe that every young person should have equal opportunities to sport and physical activity, and that is exactly what we're trying to achieve at the foundation.
I am a change maker because I believe that we're all change makers. I believe that we're all put on this earth for a purpose and to make a difference, and each one of us have our own unique journey and input to put into this world. But for me personally, I guess my change is to make a difference within the creative industry and to ensure that people that are talented, that deserve to have their work seen, that you're given the opportunity to have your work recognised, highlighted and praised.
I am a change maker because I'm an author and I work in higher education and support students and young people. I believe in equality, justice, and bringing about positive change for the future. Be a change in your community.
I'm a change maker because I am doing everything I can to reach and teach as many people as possible on the importance of loving yourself and loving on your brain. I believe that if we focus on some of the harder things that we've had to deal with and get to the root of some of the pain from our past and get rid of it and give it a bit of attention, I believe that we can actually prevent ourselves from developing mental health issues that are holding us back from being our best selves.
I'm a change maker because I want to create a fairer and more equitable world for everyone in it. I am the founder and director of New Beings, where we use diversity and inclusion as a way to kickstart conversations around race, gender, sexuality, class, and other ways in which we identify. We run workshops on everything from allyship to anti-racism. I believe the work that we do builds understanding by giving context to often difficult topics, allowing people to walk away more informed and challenge the ways in which we can move towards a more equitable society.
I'm a change maker because I campaign for LGBTQ+ rights around the world and go to speak to people, whether they're in workplaces, whether it's young people in our community who are just starting to come to terms with who they are and who they love, and try to foster a more inclusive, fair and safe space. I also campaign for free access to education for everyone, whoever they are and wherever they come from. I believe that love is love, that every gender identity and sexuality is valid, and that we really are stronger when we're together.
I am a change maker because I'm the co-founder of Sweet Eid. Sweet Eid is a free community project with one objective: to make Eid, which is a festival celebrated by over 1.6 billion Muslims worldwide, fun and engaging for children, families and the local community. Sweet Eid is all about making people happy and smile. I believe Sweet is important and is much needed in the current world we live in, where certain people refuse to engage with those with different views. Sweet is open to everyone, regardless of how old you are, your gender, your ethnicity or your religion. We need more projects like Sweet Eid that bridge the gap between communities and shows people the true meaning of faith and religion.
I'm a change maker because I believe in uplifting the next generation. It's about intersectionality, it's about equality, it's about representation, and we can only do that being a future leader. So change making for me is about making sure that everything I do is always about the interest of others and myself.
I'm a change maker because after losing a friend to suicide, I knew that my pain that I was experiencing needed to be turned into something positive. So I created a space for young people who have been in care, who are either still in care or care leavers, who don't have a family to go to for Christmas, a space where they could come, feel loved, celebrate. I believe that by doing this, young people can become the best version of themselves, create opportunities for other young people, and go out into the world and make a positive contribution to society.
My name is Adeola and I am a change maker because I believe in social mobility. I believe that every young person, regardless of their background, should be given the same opportunities to succeed in life. I started Uplift the Next Generation to help young people aged 13 to 19 in my local community who are from underprivileged backgrounds and help them to connect with professionals in different sectors. I believe that a young person's past doesn't define how their future is going to be, and that every young person should be given a chance regardless of how they started in life.
Thank you to all of the change makers in my community making a difference. Now I want you guys to share your change maker stories with the hashtag ChangeMakeAir. Become the change makers.